React hooks are functions that allow developers to use state and other features inside functional components, without using class components. Earlier, features like state and lifecycle methods were only available in class components, making code. Introduced in version 16.8, hooks transformed functional components into powerful and flexible instruments. They allow developers to manage state, handle side effects, access context, and reuse logic directly. The most commonly used hook is useState, which lets you add state to a functional component using a state. Another essential hook is useEffect, used for side effects like data fetching, subscriptions. useEffect replaces lifecycle methods such as component didMount and C. Other built-in hooks include useContext, useReducer, and performance tools like useCallback and useMemo. Hooks must be called at the top level of a function, not inside loops, conditions, or nested functions. This ensures hooks run in the same order during every render, allowing React to correctly preserve component state. Overall, React hooks simplify code, improve readability, and promote a functional programming style.